Welcome to the Weather Centre on Tuesday, where quite a bit of cloud remains over the northeastern part of South Africa. We're forecasting a 40 to 60% chance of thunderstorms and thundershowers over that part of South Africa. It'll be a mostly cloudy day with a chance of rainfall along parts of the KZN and Eastern Cape coastline. We'll see a few isolated thundershowers popping up as we head further inland, with a sunny and dry day over the western and central interior, mostly sunny over the western and southern part of South Africa. There's a warning for localized flash flooding over parts of the northwest and Limpopo, and there's a warning for a high fire danger rating over the central part of the Northern Cape on Tuesday. Our rainfall probability map shows up to a 60% chance of thunderstorms over parts of Limpopo and the northwest, with isolated thundershowers in the forecast as we head towards Gauteng, as well as over the interior part of the Eastern Cape and KZN, with a 40% chance of rainfall along the east coast. It's a warm day in the northeast with most highs in the middle and upper 20s, just shy of 30 degrees for Pretoria, Mahikeng and Potchefstroom, and things remain hot in Vryburg at 34 degrees. Bloemfontein matches that daytime high, 28 for Bethlehem. You'll see highs in the upper 20s and low 30s for the KwaZulu-Natal interior, with highs in the mid-20s from Umtata all the way through to Grahamstown. Light winds are forecast as we head towards the east coast, with more of an easterly wind for Richards Bay at 31 and a southeaster for Port Elizabeth and East London, both in the mid-20s, with a 1.5 metre south-southeasterly swell at 9 seconds. We're forecasting a maximum temperature of 34 degrees for Graafrenet, and we stick with that hot weather with highs in the mid-30s as we head towards Beaufort West, Oudtshoorn and Worcester, Vredendal and Robertson both in the low 30s on Tuesday afternoon. Muizenberg tops 25 with a moderate south-southeasterly wind. You'll see southeasterly winds all the way through to Cape Agulhas, with light winds in the forecast for Muscle Bay and Plettenberg Bay, and a moderate southeasterly wind for Jeffreys Bay at 24 degrees, with a 2.5 metre southwesterly swell at 13 seconds. Highs head into the upper 30s over the northern part of the Northern Cape, 34 for De Aar and Carnarvon, and Sutherland can expect a high of 28 degrees. On Tuesday, we're forecasting a fresh southerly wind for Alexander Bay at 23, with a moderate southerly breeze for Langebaan and Table Bay, with highs of 28 degrees there, and then you'll see a 3 metre southwesterly swell at 13 seconds along the west coast. We're forecasting a similar rainfall pattern on Wednesday, with thundershowers and showers mainly for Gauteng and the northwest, and we'll see a bit of rainfall along the Eastern Cape coastline, mostly cloudy but hot for Bombela at 30 degrees and Richards Bay at a toasty 35. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Tuesday.